We are outside of the Evans Savings Building, also known as My Savings Building, in downtown Akron, Ohio. I think we have something vintage in here. They're old Otis's. I'll give you that hint. Black buttons. Roof access in order, make us a stairwell. Look at these. I think there's also an old Rossboro service elevator in the back. What if there are even more back on the inside? We'll see what they have on the inside. Interesting. Is that Payne, Haughton? Interesting. Okay, these are newer fixtures, but they're still nicer Payne. Go up to 7. That's interesting. That's a Haughton kind of thing. We got. Forgot about the basement, but we'll do that on the way down. Interesting. Old Otis modded with Payne. I think there's an old Rossboro service elevator in the back here at 7. Actually, not seeing this kind of Payne, surprisingly. Door controls are black. The floor buttons are white. It's probably from the late 70s or early 80s certificate. The cab, I think, was done when the fixture was done too. Is that a window or a shaft light? It might actually be a window. That's interesting. Again, it's basic favorite ring cab. Probably, yeah, obviously done when the fixtures, the new fixtures are slapped on. Not entirely sure why they did the slap on mod, because it wasn't long, probably that long after the elevator installed, but it's interesting. And the original black ones in the outside here, basement. It sure sounds like a older store operator. I think the service orders here higher.
Whoever's working would be a misdemeanor, which I'll have one of my people working, you know what I mean, so they get charged.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Hey Rachel, where are you guys located?
That's going to be a
Okay.